we go to the phones. And, of course, we always like visiting with our good friends over at United Supermarkets and Market Street. And joining me on the phones this morning is Brenda Garcia, corporate dietitian for the United family of stores. Brenda, good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
Doing great. What's happening over at United Supermarkets?
Well, I thought we would talk a little bit. We're a little bit ahead of the game on this one, but lots of people are meal planning. And so I thought, let's talk about it now. And that is that, we've got Cinco de Mayo coming next week. And so Taco Tuesday is something that we've been doing in our corner of the world. And a lot of that's just to keep track of the days.
Right.
Not even because we really do like tacos on Tuesday, but, you get kind of lost in what is today. So we have been doing that over on our blog, happyandnourish.com. We've got a Taco Tuesday roundup of everything we did in the last month, and we're posting those on our social media channel, especially over on Instagram. But there's plenty of other taco recipes on there, and the great thing about tacos is they're so versatile. So whether you do it with fish or chicken or beef or beans or a combination of things, we've got some great ideas for you of some ideas. And it might be stuff used in your pantry. If you are going to the store, you can grab what you need to finish getting these tacos together. But they're an easy way to feed lots of people, and they're budget friendly. They're usually great sources of all kinds of different things. They're a great place to sneak in some of those great veggies as well. Yeah. So top them with a little bit of avocados and guac. And those avocados right now, when you buy the 7-count bag, you can get $1 off when you use your rewards account, and make sure that you add that in there. So we've got some great deals going on to help with that. But it's a perfect time to be talking about Taco Tuesday.
Yeah, absolutely. That. And I mean, really, they can, it can be something that's fun for, the family to get involved in too.
Yeah. And let the kids make their own, depending on how much mess you want and how old those kids are, or let the younger ones have a turn at dinner. And it can be a simple meal to prepare, depending again on age appropriateness, right. Or someone else whoever else might be in the house can have a shot at it. So tacos are pretty simple to make, and maybe give the head chef a break.
Exactly. Yeah. And you can go to happyandnourish.com for all the latest recipes.
That's right.
All right, Brenda, stay healthy, and thanks for giving us a call today.
Thanks.
All right, that's Brenda Garcia over at our friends over at United Supermarkets and Market Street.